Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Nasdaq or NAS100 to Exness in 2026. For that, you need to come here on exness.com. Afterwards, log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, you are going to see this type of My Account section where you will see all of your real account or the demo accounts that you have. So you need to click on the option of trade right next to the account. Then click on the option of Open Web Terminal. Now, when the web terminal is opened in front of you, something like this, you just have to click on this plus icon here on the top. Then you just have to simply search for the instrument that you want to add over here. Now, since you want to add Nasdaq, and in Exness, the NAS100 is usually listed as US Tech instead of NAS100. So here you just have to simply search for US Tech, and as it can be seen over here, the US Tech symbol will be available here. You can just simply press this star icon right next to it in order to add it in the favorite. In order to launch its chart, you just have to simply click on it, and as it can be seen over here, we have the Nasdaq chart available on the Exness. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.